right, YouTubes. It is a Saturday morning. I'm getting out there. We got, let's see. I got, the first stop's gonna be a 2-door. It's supposed to be a 2-glass door, like beverage cooler that keeps periodically icing up the coil. We're gonna look at that one first. Then we got, I don't know if it's a prep table or an upright fridge that's got a condensate leak. And then after that, I've got an ice cream freezer, probably a dipping cabinet type freezer, that was having problems freezing the ice cream. And that's the first 3 that I know of. I gotta check my phone and see if there was any more for today. So come on along and let's go check it out. Oh, Tippy. Tippins. Oh, you puked again, Tippy. You gotta stop doing this. Oh, Tippins. Let's get some gloves. Oh, I'm not sure if I need the knee pads or not yet. All right, that looks like this is gonna be the little turd. Let's see. Okay. It's had a thermostat put in it. The drinks are cold. It's at 37. Kick back on at 38. I might change the settings on that. Someone's been trying to booby trap it. Seven-degree differential. All right, so it's all set up for defrosting. All right, cool. Works for me. Right now, the drinks are cold. Let's see. Off, see if I'm gauging up on it. As usual, low on charge. It's a bit low on charge. I remember working on this cooler a couple years ago, and it has a small leak in the coil. I remember now. That looks better. Getting there. All right, I got the thermostat reprogrammed, and the unit is cycled off. We'll see where it kicks back on at. All right, that one's all done. Little gasser go. Not early today. This restaurant, I think it was like an 8:30 kickoff. Woo, that coffee's still hot. Unbelievable how good these cups work. All right, let's, I gotta go to my Home Depot and buy some wire ties, and then I'll get to the next one. I'll bring you guys in the Homeless Depot with me. Oh yeah, the Cleo cleaner. I'm killing it with my beta soy play mix. Beta soy playlist. All right, let's get out to the next one. All right, Continental 6-drawer makeup station. Thank God it's on wheels. I'm gonna pull it out, see if we can get to the back and find this condensate. All right, we're gonna get this. We're gonna get the back cover off right here. Woo, I can tell the condenser's dirty. It's hot as hell back here. Like fire. Oh, check it out, Felipe. The Abundagas. All right, this is a little wicking kit. Water's really not going into the condensate pan. There's our drain. It's probably plugged up. It's already got a fitting on it. It's kind of a red flag. And there it is. Well, winter's coming, so we better get some wool to make a sweater. We'll harvest a little wool here. Look at this thing. Oh yeah, that condensate was plugged. Look, it's all blown out now. Look at that thing draining. Draining like a champ. There she goes. Good and dirty that thing was. Oh yeah. All right, I was trying hard to get some abundagas there, but dude, I was even mopping the floor, but I struck out. I got nothing. We're gonna go to the next one, the ice cream freezer. Oh, tippers. Come on, Tippins. You're in the redwoods now. You could be somebody. Look at this. It's pretty cool. We're gonna go in there and check the ice cream freezer. Just my luck. There it is. I can see the freezer right there. Goner. Ice cream merchandiser. Anybody home? I'll knock on the window over here. It's a little camp spot. So close, it's right there. Look at this in the back there. Look at all that stuff to do around here. Yeah, Hearst Castle now. That's a drive. That's quite a drive. San Francisco. I guess if your RV's parked here and you got a second vehicle, it ain't that bad. Look, it's upside down, but it says, this freezer requires maintenance. I'm here. Let me in. Hey, boo-boo. Let's get some picnic baskets. But Yogi... Let's see, how much does this one take? Probably not much. R290. Ooh, this is a newer freezer. R290, 2.82 pounds. See that? Let's take a look. Well, NorCal Dave took one of those Milwaukee stackable cases. Like I got copper and PVC in one of them, and I made my little R290 kit. My scale, fittings, and you can throw a bunch of junk in there, make yourself a little R290 kit. All right, we're gonna try this for the aluminum to copper. I know it goes aluminum to aluminum good. I'll leave my plumber's torch for it. Ooh, I'm not gonna get too many tries at it.
You just talk to him and
Yeah. Take a look around, spend some time if you'd like. But yeah.
we are so excited to be here. We're like, yes.
Oh, it was a long trip, I'm
It was
sure.
a long trip.
Yeah.
And then we had taught our kids to ski.
All right, here's what I got. I got the dryer sweated in, access fitting. I now have a nitrogen holding charge going of 100 psi, and we'll see how this does for about a half hour. And after that, then we can pull a vacuum. There's my weld, the aluminum to copper. It worked pretty good. And yeah, let's get this thing pressure tested and then see what happens. Then we'll weigh in our 2.8 ounces of R290. Yeah, 100 psi pressure test going down.
Right.
That trucker, I think, too well. How's the clubhouse thing?
2.8.
Picked it up, set it back down.
There it is. All right, here's an old shot of NorCal Dave when he used to have field passes at Candlestick. But hey, a couple things on that job. Yeah, I did leave a liquid line dryer in there that has Schrader core, and I also left the access fitting on there. That little freezer only holds 2.8 ounces. If you notice from the manufacturer, it did not have spark-proof condenser fan motor, so I'm not too worried about it on that little freezer. Just for a heads up.
He's a super tech, gets his jobs done before Ford. He's a super tech, never calls tech support. He's a super tech, gets his jobs done before Ford. He's a super tech, never calls tech support. He's got the biggest SATA gauges hanging in his van. He never has to use them calibrated hands. Dispatch sends him on a no heat call. He got to diagnose before he gets to the door, cause he's a super tech. Yeah, super tech. Yeah, he's a super tech. Gets his jobs done before 4. Yeah, he's a super tech. Never calls tech support. Yeah, he's a super tech. Gets his jobs done before 4. He's a super tech. Never calls tech support. He's never had a callback in about 10 years. He tells the rookies while they're pounding beers, I'm the one that gets the jobs done. I'm a super tech, don't forget it, son. He's a super tech. Super tech. He's a super tech. He's a super tech.